Today we're providing an experience for our students from the Education Institute to come here to UTRGV. Sometimes for high school students, it's really hard for them to visualize what the future holds. It's more of an abstract. When they come here to the university and they talk to people who are in the program, they see the facilities, they assimilate the environment, it becomes real to them. So this, I think, really helps pave the way so that they can come here feeling like they're in a familiar environment, and it's the transition. It provides a seamless transition from high school to the university setting.
We actually just finished taking a tour of the campus, and I actually really enjoy it. We were giving advice on what to expect when coming here. I do feel lucky because I know that these opportunities weren't given to people back then, so I do feel pretty grateful to take advantage of this opportunity in order to succeed.
I think it's going to help me out a lot when I am out in the field doing, what I'm supposed to be doing. And just like my knowledge in that sort of field is going to expand, and I'm going to get to know more, get to do hands-on, and just it makes me feel lucky because it's a privilege that a PSJ student has to come to these things and learn more about what a student wants to be in the future, what they want to do when they grow up.